Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your internet bedroom by connecting either your Spotify or your Apple Music. So I'm just going to connect mine to my Spotify. So once you've logged on, you're just going to select agree and it's going to load. Okay, hold on, I'll do it again. Okay, it's going to analyze my music, designing my room, and it's going to load up my tracks. And here is my internet bedroom. I am a super Swiftie. There's a guitar. There's also like some songs that I've been listening to on here. Most of them are depressing, I know, but once you're done, you're just going to select save and share, and you can just save image. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.